Nairobi.
Duol marango kaka obila tayo chenro mag IPOA ogolo ywak ewi nok mar omenda moket negi e bajet. IPOA wacho ni nok mar omenda oserocho chenro magi mag konyo jopiny yudo ratiro. Jotend IPOA nolosi ewi wachno e kar romo mar KICC Nairobi e kinde nyasi mar sidho ayanga chenro mar duol manigo chakre higani nyaka higa mar 2030. Ogai mar doho Martha Koome bende nochopo e nyasino opuoyo okenge ma IPOA oketo kaka ranyisi mar chenro mar bede sirikal nigo mar neno ni lony manyasani otigo de chopo kare tich ne jopiny.
You have to prioritize adequate resourcing of oversight institutions in Kenya. That includes IPOA, Kenya National Human Rights Commission, and other oversight institutions. We cannot use lack of funding to cripple institutions like so critical to oversight and governance in this country. Without resourcing, accountability is just a word on paper.
I must emphasize that the resourcing of IPOA is a constitutional duty considering the critical role it plays. When IPOA is underfunded, it is the Kenyan people who are denied their constitutional right to seek accountability in policy.
Having flipped through it and listened to you and the presentations made, the biggest challenge you'll have in terms of adherence to what you envision here and their full implementation will be resources. My chair confirms to me to tell you that in the discharge of its budgetary role under the Constitution, Parliament, and particularly the National Assembly through the committee in which we serve, will give you the resources you need to push through.
But migao mar piny owacho mochung' ne arita e nam mong'ere kaka Kenya Coast Guard Service obede winjruok mar tiyo